How to fix Twitter lag on Samsung A08. Let's start the video. First of all, open quick settings panel, so just swipe down and click on this power icon. Again tap on this restart icon. Your phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. After click on apps, scroll down and search Twitter app from here. And for example, this is Twitter app, so click on Twitter app and click on storage. Clear cache Twitter app, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, again click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on general management. Click on reset and reset all settings. Enter phone pin, click on continue. Again tap on reset. You will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.